This video is brought to you by Soda, the shop of all retro cars and vinyl.
What's up people, Dobbsy Wolves is right here, and welcome to another Yu-Gi-Oh! Pack opening. And today, it is time to relive Mr. Yugi Moto for revealing from the very deep of heaven above with the Egyptian gods. That's right people, we will be opening 3 packs of Battle Pack 2 War of the Giants and 1 pack of War of the Giants 2 Reinforcements. So that is really good, but we're not finished yet. Why not have a box that contains the gods as well, if you're lucky as well? Premium Gold 1. So really this is like the search for the gods. I'm hopefully wanting to pull 1 god out of anything. I don't mind if it's a secret gold rare, I think it was a star foil. I know there isn't in this one, but there's a load of great ultra rares that are in that set, so I'd love to get one of them. But let's go really quick and look at them really quick. You know about me. So, as with Battle Pack 2 War of the Giants, I have 1 of each. I have Obelisk the Tormentor, Slifer the Sky Dragon, and the Ring Dragon of Ra. I pulled, I think I pulled Ring Dragon of Ra and I pulled Slifer the Sky Dragon. Slifer the Sky Dragon I pulled in Battle Pack 2, but in the Premium Gold series I pulled Ring Dragon of Ra. The only one I'm missing is Obelisk the Tormentor, so hopefully we can pull him. So, what we're going to open up first? Well, let me move Premium Gold out of the way, and let me move Reinforcements out of the way. We're going to start off with Battle Pack 2, War of the Giants. We're going to start off with the first team, straight down to the last. So, let's come on, Obelisk the Tormentor. Give me something good. Give me something good, pal. You're the only one we're missing. Solar Wind Jammer. Card Guard. That's a pretty nice, not bad card. Is it a rare? No. This is the rare, Card Trader, and we got Gladisaurus, okay, and then Rush Recklessly, awesome. Rush Recklessly is actually a good card to get. We'll just keep them here for now, we're not sleeving these ones because they're not good for me. Rares are okay, but it's not the best. So we have Dark Reneshta, Zombia the Dark, I love that card a lot. Memory of an Ananasaur, and yes, Primitive Barrier. That's a not bad combo there. Yeah, I'll take that. Oh, Unforbidden Chalice, and it's a normal common. That's going straight into my deck, no matter what. Oh yes, let me sleeve Primitive Barrier. It's a retro card as usual. So, final pack now for Battle Pack 2. No God. Remember, it's only 3 packs, so what can you do? They're hard to grab. And we have Gyroid, Goblin Elite Attack Force. That's a nice comment, I can use that, alright. Photon Rien, and a Pitch Black Werewolf. Dang. And we have Rocket Paddler. Okay, fair enough. So let's go and put these to the side, because that's all there is. And let's start off, let's go to the next one. War of the Giants Reinforcement, 16 cards per pack. Can we pull one of the two ultra rares that I'm looking for? You guys don't have a clue what they're called. I literally don't have a clue what they're called, but I know what they look like. One of them that looks like a cone with a big eye, and the other one I actually forgot what it looks like. But that's the one I'm actually looking for. And we start off with an awesome card already. We have Berserk Gorilla, Ribbon of Rebirth, Swallowtail Butterspy, Berserk Scale, Junk Forward, Garabel Lord, Hero Challenger, Night Watcher, Double Summon, Butterspy Phenophacy. These are all limited to rare, and oh, we got fucking damn it! We didn't get the one that we needed, but it's a not bad ultra rare. Really a not bad ultra rare one bit, so really good, happy with that. And we have Cyber Primer, which is nice. Infinity Destroyer, that's such a nice little card, that. And Breaking Bottle. And Noble Relic Gallium. Oh yes! Oh yes! Now we're talking, people. We're talking. We have Megamorph boys, Megamorph girls. There we go. I love Megamorph. I use it a lot of times when I get myself the Blue Eyes White Dragon, Dark Magician, Red Eyes, anybody that is strong and I'm losing, I Megamorph it to such a powerful card and I win. It's an amazing card. Love it to bits. And then we have Tribute to the Doomed. Oh man, what a hack! That I don't care about the Ultra Rare. They were just amazing cards, and I'm sleeving up Megamorph, definitely. And the Tribute to the Doomed, because that as well is a pretty damn good card to use. So that's them. Let's stick these rares aside as well, because you know me, and we'll might as well sleeve up Fog King. There we go. Right, and the final part now, people. Premium Gold 2. It's raining gold, people. Can we pull a God card? Or is this going to be a little fail? But either way, it's not a fail, because I got some great cards today. Really great cards. The box don't need any more, because I've already got one that's in nicely good condition. And there it is. The final pack of today. Can we pull one of the gods? Come on, everybody. Be on my side. Do the Modaho chant. Modaho, 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 Modaho. Come on. Right. We have Silent Wobby, Dramatic Puppet, Coraline to the Gonic, No Night, No! We didn't pull in! Oh man, never mind, number C6. I thought that was something then, I thought, wait a minute, was he a normal gold rare? I don't remember. Gold Rue, Lord of the Dark World. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon! Oh, I'm shaking! I'm shaking! My hand's shaking! Oh, calm yourself down! Modaho was true! The Screaming Goat is on my side, people! The Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon! Oh my goodness! Oh man! Oh my goodness! I can't believe it! Oh, shut up, dog! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's sit down inside. Sit down inside. We have Zombie. I don't have a clue what his name is. Razor the Stone Monarch, Gardener, and a Blackwing Armistice. Colossal Fighter, a Galaxy Eye Photon Dragon. Ah! What a forbidden challenge! Oh, God, as well. Oh my! I can't believe it. Forget about the Egyptian god. We are going for the Blue Eyes White Dragon instead. This title has been changed. A hunt for the Blue-Eyed God. Never mind. I'll just stick to the normal gods because it's all god. But what a change instead. Instead of getting an Egyptian god, we get a card that I've not seen since I bought a retro pack years ago when I pulled myself a Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. This is in pristine mint condition. It is gem mint. And he's been sleeved in there no matter what. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And Forbidden Charge, you go in there too. I'll be right back, people, while sleeving everything up, and I'll be with you in a second. Okay, and now we're back. I had to calm myself down with a bit of splash of water. But let's go through really quick. We have the like Stardust foils, but I had to get myself some new sleeves, so I got these slick sleeves. They're very, very silky. But we have the Saurus, pitch black werewolf, and then we have Premature Barrier, which was the best of that lot. So there's that. For the normal rares, we have Memory of the Adversary, Photon Ring, and then we have Card Trooper, which I'd say was the best out of that lot. We only have one ultra rare, which is Fog King. That was the only way I can get anything, so never mind, it was a loss. For normal super rares, we have Noble Relic, Berserk Bottle, Bronetic Bottle or something, Destroyer, Primer, Tribute of the Doom, and the best card of that set, Megamorph. And this was a conspiracy that I thought to myself, because how on earth did I pull the other one? Let's go for these secret gold secrets. These are ones I don't really care about because they're not really pretty damn good to me. People might think they're good, but I'd say the two best cards of that set was this spell card and number C9, which is not a bad card. Just lost my voice as well. And then we have our we have our gold rare cards. Then we have Galaxy Eye Photon Dragon, and Blackring Armor Merist, then Forbidden Chalice, and the card of the day, Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. Now remember, I pulled a Megamorph, and the Megamorph was the first one I pulled, and I said to myself that I used it to power up my Blue Eyes White Dragons and my Ultimates and my Dark Magicians, and then I pulled an Ultimate Dragon. What a conspiracy. But anyhow people, hope you guys enjoyed it. I surely did. Please like and subscribe for more Yu-Gi-Oh videos and Pokemon if you guys like that. Please check out my sponsors, Soda, and with that being said, goodbye everyone. Bye! Oh yeah! Asymmetric EX! Now that's what we're talking about. What a great start! Another pack of this card. And I will only get myself one card for one. So I would say I was not only getting card for one. That's why I ordered myself another one.